Okay, let's try to do COBOL. So I've already put the word COBOL and bagels into the display when I built the quote unquote library here. Running loop, ask to see again, ask to see rules. So we will start with our working storage. So let's see, we need our digits. Whoops, not 10. Let's call this digits. And then let's go 3. Let's do 3. Digit 1. Pick 9. Digit 2. Pick 9. Digit 3. Pick 9. And then let's see, we need guess. That will be a pick 999. And we need got guess. Come on, man. That's going to be a pick 9. We need score. We'll make that a 999. I don't think anybody's going to play more than 1,000 times. That might be all we need. All right, so then what we want to do is in our start paragraph, let's set our score. Whoop, I'm not doing it right. Set score to 0. Whoops, to 0. All right, so then looking at our design, score digits, guess, attempt. Oh, we need attempt. Oh, attempt. Pick 9. No, pick 999s. Oh no, you're gonna have 20 chances, right? So pick 99. All right, and then got guess. Oh, we should probably say something like guessed. That'll be a pick 9. All right. Okay, so I've got display rules here, but I don't have anything in it. But let's go down. Let's see what we have. So ask question. We already have ask to play again. All right. Ask to see the rules. Don't need to really ask question. Get integer input. I don't think we really need that because when you say it's a pick 9, it's going to be an integer. So we don't need isn't it. Then ask to play again, ask to see the rules, generate random number. We'll just do that in place. Okay, so we have something called ask for guess. So let's put that right. Oh, there's a game loop. Heck, let's put it after display rules. Ask for guess. And what we're going to do here is we're going to display guess and attempt. Come on. Oh, wait, guess number and attempt. And then we're going to get the input. So we're going to input. I'm sorry, it's not input. It's accept. Guess. And then we'll say if guess is less than 0, then we will display, please guess a non-negative number. Else, if guess is less than 100 or guess is greater than 999, then we're going to display, please guess a number between 100 and 999, period. Why is that like that? Okay. Then otherwise, else we'll say got guess to 1, end. End if. Sorry, end dash if. Okay. So then what we're going to do is performing loop. So in performing loop, performing loop. In running loop, we say set game over to 0 and perform game loop. So, but we need to get a number first, right? So we're going to perform. Oh no, that's ask for guess dummy. Sorry, I got confused. We are going to do something there, but perform ask for guess until got guess equals 1. And so we're going to say got guess set to 0. Okay. And so then we'll ask for guess till we got guess 1. And then we have our guess. So then we'll have to look at that. Let's do display rules. Let's copy. I wonder if I can copy and paste this stuff and it not be too screwy. Not too screwy. So then we'll grab this. There. Uh-oh. No. I don't think I can go over that. Let's see. Let's see what it says. I know in old school, like back in the day, that was a hard stop because I think because of punch cards. I'm not sure, but it's something like that. Okay, so but we'll see what it does in modern, quote unquote, modern COBOL. It doesn't like, need a period. Doesn't like that. Probably doesn't like it because it's over. What does it say? My undefined. Where do you see my? Oh, this. What? Let's see if I pull this back. Does that go away? Yeah. Okay. So it is a hard. So it is a. Well, shoot. So I'm pretty sure that this cannot be in front of this. Oh, maybe it can be. No. You can see it's making the D. Oops, don't do that. Ooh, maybe I can cheat like that. All right. No, I don't think so. What's it saying now? Pico undefined. Yeah, so all right. Well, shoot. So I should probably in the future, and I will do this. I will display. I will utilize COBOL to make sure I know how wide I can make these. Oh man. So can we, let's see, maybe 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2. That works. I go one more. Yeah. And then Bagels is just going to be it's period. Its dash will be out of sync, but there's something else wrong here now. Fermi undefined. Oh, can it? Wait, it's right up against it. It's perfect. What's wrong? Period. Period. What's wrong with this? Sure, I can't close that up. I don't know what's going on. It doesn't like it for some reason. I mean, it says that Fermi's not defined, but it's everything else is really good. Unexpected $sign define. All right, we'll see what's going on there. It might be down here. This thing. All right. Okay, so we did that. Display game over. That will be ask for guest, ask to play again up here. So stop run. So we say running, perform running till running is 0. Oh, this is the game over. Okay. So we're going to say, display game over is when you fail to guess. And okay, so we'll just make it a thing here. Let's go here after ask for guess. Display game over. And that will be display OL. That's 20 guesses. Display. My number was okay, so we got to do this. I have to say call make integer from array, and then that will put that into we don't have those, do we? So we need those two. So okay, so one, we need ret val. That will be a pick 999 because it's a 3-digit number, right? 999. And then array in. I'm just going to copy this. Whoops, come on. And then we have a ret array, so we'll get that. We can put a dash there, so do that. Stop. Ret val, we'll do that. And then we'll say val in, right? So 01 val in to pick 999. All right. So where are we? We were display game. Oh yeah. So make it. So we're gonna say move digit to array in, and then we'll make int from array, and then we will display. That'll be ret val. Yep. Okay. And then make int from. We'll do that right here. Make int from array. And that takes, okay, so it's going to say set ret val to array in, I don't know if there's 0 or 1 base, I don't remember, times 100. Actually, let's do this. Let's set ret val to 0, and then let's add to ret val. I think that's right. Add array in 1 times 10 to ret val, and then we'll add array in 2. Don't need that, or that, or that, or that, or that, or that to ret val. There we go. All right, and then we're going to come up here and let's say make array from int. And then, so we have an array in. So our ret val is what? It is, okay, so we will val in. So we're going to say ret array 0. So we're going to set to val, come on, Mark, val in divided by 100. And then we're going to set ret array 1 to val in minus ret array 0 times 100. So I think we want to do this. This, then 10, maybe. Is that right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's enough parens. And then we're going to set ret array 2 to val in minus this, this, yeah, minus, and then we're going to go to another line, ret array 1 times 10. And then we put a period there. And then we've got it. So that return ret array is returned. Okay. So we've got that. So now that was display game over. So that's after 20 guesses. So we're down here. Still got guess. Okay. If, oh, let's do create the number up here. Create the number. And I guess we'll do check guess because that's the next one in the list too. Randomly select the first digit between 1 and 9. Oh, yeah. Okay. So we need to say, do we have a got guess? No, got guess. Got digits. Okay. Not pick 0. Okay. So create the number. So we are going to we're going to do that random thing. Isn't it like a function? Oh God, I don't remember. I might have to go look. Let's see. Let's open up AC2C here. And let's see where it's called, like select number. Is that right? Is that what it's called? Display rule, select card. Oh, that's it. Function random. Okay. So we'll say digits digits 0. Oh, I can, well, let me look at that to make sure if we're 1 based or 0 based. How about that? Didn't we use yeah, cards. So select card. So how do we do that? Oh, that's right. We did, okay. Okay. Um, oh, we're going to have to do it like this, I think. I don't know how to, let's see. Maybe that works. Maybe this works. We'll find out. Okay. Digit 0, set digit 0. Where was select card again? Oh, okay. This might be compute. Let's do so. We'll see what it says. Okay. What we have is compute for this. It says set digits. We have compute digits 0 equals function random times the maximum number. And they're not going to plus anything because we want it to be, no, a plus 1. Right? So let's see, that was 4. So it is 0. So this is going to be 10 plus 1. All right. And then we're going to say set got digit 2 0. And then we're going to say perform get digit 2 until got digit equals 1. So we'll come right here and we'll say get digit 2 this will be digit 1. And then, oh, we should say digit 1, especially if they're 1 based. And if we need to do something else, we'll call it something else. Whoops. All right. If digits 1 equals digits 0, actually not equal, right? Then got digit set to 1. Oh, come on, man. And then let's get digit 2. Basically the same thing. If digits 2 and okay. So then we'll do this. 2. Okay. And then did I screw this up? We're doing the digits. Oh, I haven't used it yet. Okay. So got digit 1. And then let's say we'll say got digit 2. Let's do that. Set. Okay. And then create the number we'll do when it's a 2. So let's go back to our design. Check guess. So it's here. Check guess. All right, we're going to make an array from integer and pass guess in. So we're going to say set int in, no, val in to, actually it's move, excuse me. It's move guess to val in. Yeah. And then we're going to call make array from integer. Then, so then it'll be temp. So let's see, let me think. We're going to do this several times. So let's do this again. Call this temp. Temp array. We also need vals, right? I'll call it vals array. Oops. Gosh, come on. Let's call it vals. We'll call this temp. There we go. Temp and vals. Okay. Where are we? Make array from int. Then we're going to move ret array to temp. And then we are going to we need to set vals. So we need to set vals. Is it vals dot? Like, can I do vals dot digit 1 to 0? Oh yeah, maybe I can do that. 3, 2. So if that's the case, this might not be real. Then I might have to say digits dot digit 1, which is fine. Okay, so we have that. So then we're going to say if temp dot digit 1 equals digits dot digit 1, then vals dot digit 1 equals 1. Set val to 1. Not top. Two, 3. Come on. Go away. Go away. Go away. Ah, shit. What did I hit? Oh, I hit an F key. My fingies are all messed up today, apparently. Okay, so now we're going to say that we're going to move vals to array in. Array in. Yep. And then we're going to call make integer from array. And we'll have a ret val. So so if ret val equals 111, then guessed how do we do this? Because guessed all right, we'll say guessed to 2. We'll do that. Same thing we did before. Set guessed to 2. And then and if okay. Oh, we need to say else because we can't return, right? Else if vals digit 1 equals digits digit 2, or vals digit 1 equals digits, uh, digit 3, then set vowels, not vowels. Yeah, vowels digit 1 to 2 to 2. And this should, whoops, get rid of that. This is not vowels, this is temp. Temp. Okay. We end if here, end fee. Come back. And then we're going to do this for the 2 and 3. And it's going to do that crap where I got to hit escape. This should be 1 or 3. This should be 1 or 2. Whoops. 1, 2. And this is 3. This is digits 3. All right. How we do this? We're going to do 1 here. Then we do this, right? So then if, we need to move vowels to array in. Oops, no period. You're in an if. Okay. Call make int from array. If vowels, if ret val equals 0, then display bagels. Else, if vowels digit 1, then display 1 is if it equals, right? So Fermi. Else if vowels digit 1 equals 2, then display Pico. Whoops. I don't know how to put them on the same line, so we're not going to do that. That's one. And if. Nope. All right, then we'll do 2 and 3. This is 3. The escape doesn't do what I want it to do. 3, or not the escape, the move, you can't move your arrow down. That's what I mean. 2, 2, okay. Okay, so then we got all that. We'll end if here. And then we'll set guest to 0, to 0. Okay, so then when we call that, we'll set it to -1. All right, now we're going to main logic. So let's see. Asked to see the rules. We're there. Initialize score to 0. Initialize attempt to 1. Create the number. Display, okay, I have a number. Display, okay. I have a number in mind. However, this is running, so I think I need to move this here. Let's get rid of that. We're going to perform running loop. And in running loop, we're going to do that. We're going to say, there, okay, I have a number in mind. Then we're going to Uh, um, while game over is false. Okay, so we got that. So we're doing that. Perform game loop until game over is 1. Call create the number. Hold on. Got digit. Okay, so we need to say set got digit to 0. Perform create the number until got digit equals 2. Okay. Then I have a number in mind. We do game loop. So perform guess until got guess is 1. And then if, so then we got to check guess, right? So we're going to say set guessed equal to -1. Perform check guess until guessed is greater than -1. And then we say if check guess equals 1, then display you got it. Increase score. So add 1 to score. And then set game over to 1. Else display nope. Add 1 to attempt. If attempt is greater than 20, then call display game over. Call display game over. Where's display game over? Let's set game over to 1. And then that's the end of that logic. And oops. And if come back. And if. So now let me think. So then it says display game over. So that is this, right? Move Godance to running, and then we can do the last piece up here. Before stop run, we will move digits to array in. We will call make integer from array. We will display. Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. We're not doing that. Fun. Okay. It doesn't like this. We'll figure that out. I think everything else. The other thing we don't know is this. Do we need to do digits like we did here? We did them both ways so that we can see. All right. So runs won't let me run. Why? It's closed tools. Since I can't use that, it's got to be over here. I can do things called a copybook, but that just copies this working storage, which we could do that, I guess. But all these functions are still here. All right. So there's something wrong here. Fermi is undefined. How? Can I cross over lines with these? Like that? All right, let me go see how I concatenate across lines, right? All right, I discovered a couple things looking at that. So the first thing is, I just say and. Don't know what the deal is with this. Undefined. Bagels undefined. Expect, come back. Expected dash. Okay, hold on. I'm going to pop up in the page I was looking at. It says, a line with more than 72 characters that are split in multiple lines should have a hyphen. Where's the hyphen? The previous line should have a hyphen in column 7. Oh. So where's column 7? Where was it? Let me look again. It was in front of data division. So here. Aha. What's the ampersand? Is that? Let's go back to that. No hyphen. Okay. So we have a hyphen. And then we do that. Okay. It's going to be weird. Okay. So let's do that here too. And then we'll put a hyphen here. And we'll position. Okay. Why does this one not like it? I don't understand what's wrong with this one. Undefined. You get 20 choices before you lose. Oh, wait. That? You got to be able to have a period inside a line. Unexpected, undefined. Display. I don't see what the issue is. Oops. What's wrong with this? Is it this guy? No. Hmm. I don't know what I don't see what the difference is between those two lines. Okay. All right. But okay. Okay. Oh, good. Oh, this will tell us right now. Call make array from int. Oh, does it have to be above it? Okay. Make array from int. X that. And it's got a bunch of problems. Okay. So this is going to be set. Yep. Okay. So this is compute, right? Compute equals. Wait, what does it say? Not be subscript. Oh, okay. What does this say? Okay, subscripted. Okay. So let's just try our setback ret array dot digit 1. Okay, then what does it say? So is it compute equals 2? set. Okay. Come back, man. Redefinition of digit 1. Um, hmm. Set temp val to val in. And let's go up here and let's go 01 temp val. Okay. We want to move, not set, move val in to temp val. And then we're going to divide temp val by 100. And then this should be temp val. Doesn't like any of this shit. Temp val undefined. Oh, temp dash val, sorry. Okay. Got that. Divide temp val by 10. So what is it not like? Expected period. Is it divide 10, 100 on into temp val? Yeah. All right. This says redefinition of digit 1. All right, so let's do this since I don't understand all this stuff. We're going to say digits. Come on, man. Digits 3. Okay. And then these are going to be, we'll call these in1, in2, in3. And these will be ret1. How about out? Call it out1, out2, out3. And let's call it TMP1, TMP2, TMP3. And then vals 1. Whoops. Oh, just call it val. How about that? That's weird that you can't, that really doesn't define itself as different things. Okay. All right, so let's go down here. So ret array is really out 1. And then set out 2, set out 3. Okay. So that looks fine. It seems like it doesn't care if I do math here. So let's get rid of that and that. And let's call this val in. Oops. Come on, man. Val in divided by 100. Okay. And then we can't say ret array. We're going to say out 1, out 1. And then we can pull this over here. Out 2 times 10. All right. Vals is going to be val 1, val 2, val 3. If TMP1 equals digits 1, then val 1 if TMP2, whoops, equals digits 2, then val2 if TMP3 equals digits 3, then val3 is 1. Move val to array in, vals, vals. Call make integer from array, which I thought I put it above. I thought I did both of them. I guess I didn't. All right. All right. So, let's think of a couple things here. Whoops, in 3, 2, 1. All right, looks right. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, it looks good. That looks good. All right, so we're back to here. Temp 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, digits 2, come on. Digits 3, val 1, digits 1, digits 3, val 2, digits 1, digits 2, val 3. Okay. If val 1 is 1, val 1, val 2, val 2, val 3, 3. And now look, I'll show you what I learned. Without advancing, puts it on the same line. One doesn't like it, but it's supposed to. Without. No advancing? Seems I like it. No advancing, no advancing, no advancing, and we'll just ignore this. Okay, we'll see if that's right. Compute, okay, so digits 1, yeah. If digits 1 does not equal digits, 1, 2, we'll call this digits 2, 2, 3, stop, 3, digits 1, digits 2, digits 3, digits 3, okay. Compute digits 1, get digits, digits 2, digits 3. All right, we got that. All right, so then game over. That looks right. That looks right. That looks right. Okay, so maybe it's right. It still says there's something wrong though. It doesn't like something. Or why can't I run it? COBOL. Clean. COBOL. Build. See compiler tab. Compiler. Okay. make array from int is an unexpected thingy. Make array from int. Make array from int. Out. Set out. Oh, it's not going to like any of this then. No, hang on. Is it compute out equals? Let's see what it does there. 89 now. Okay. Yeah, so let's try compute out equals Oh, it didn't hate set. Let's see what it says there. Oh yeah, so this could be set instead of compute. Okay. All right, let's go again. 88 expected equals. Oh, all right, well, that's what we did. Okay, so let's go compute. See if it gets rid of those. 88. Gone. 93. Expected star giving, expected giving. Unexpected star giving. Oh, okay. Oh, so this is not add. So so we need to say the same thing. So compute ret val equals let's do this. Let's do this. Um, Three tens. Come on, 3 ones. 9. What are you doing? Okay, so then we'll say, let's set und. Wait, no, it's compute und as in1 times 100 equals tens and ones. So this is tens, ones. So in 2 times 10 and in 1. And then we will add that, add tens and add 1. See if that's right. Check guess, invalid cast from check guess. Where do we see that? What? 1473? Do I have 1,407? No. Okay. Invalid type cast from check guess. Oh, okay. This. Oh, it needs to be in here because the other one set guess to 1. Yep. Okay. That's the problem with that. What now? Oh, nope, still invalid. Something from check guess. So, tag 116, tag 29. What's that? 213. Oh, maybe that's where it fails. 213, 213, 213. Oh, right. Stupid. Uh, if guessed, that's it. Another error in paragraph running loop. Get digits 3 is undefined. Where do you see get digits 3? Digits. Make array from int. So I must have done the same thing again. That'd be check guess. Call make array from int. Call make array from int. I don't see that problem. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Make array from int. Call make array from int. Where else do we call that? That's it, right? Call make array from int. Invalid typecast from. 238. That doesn't help me. That's at the bottom. What's wrong with this? I'm calling make array from int. That's how you call something. Can I find make array? That's it. That's the only places it is. It is. So I don't see what the problem is. Invalid typecast. It's definitely not perform. It should be call. Yeah. I don't know. All right. So it's not what's inside make array from int. It's the call to make array from int. Why is that? Whoops, come here. Stop. So it's not perform, it's not call. You know what? Let's get rid of this. We only use it here, right? See what happens there. Ooh. Okay. because it has compute in it, it must have to be called something else. So let me find that. This is probably not going to fix it, but apparently I'm dumb. Call is if you're calling some, it says an external program really, and perform is within your same code. So let's see if we have any calls that I'm missing. I'll do a search for call. There we go. We're going to perform. Find call. No more. Okay. I don't think that's going to fix our error here. Oh wait, maybe permission denied. Oh, wait a minute. What does that mean? Bin bagels. It's not. We don't have one running, right? It never ran. I just was compiling it. Could not open output file bin bagels exe. All right, let me fix. Okay, I don't know. I must have hit run on it or something. I don't understand what I did wrong. But let's go again. So it looks like it worked. So now let's run it. You want to see the rules. We know it's going to work, but wow. Yes. Okay. I have a number of mine. 111. I got it. Yes. 111. You got it. Yes. 222. You got it. No. Okay, there's something wrong. Whoa. All right. Kill that. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. If I do this, does it come back? Yay. Okay. Okay. No matter what I do, it says you got it. So let's check guess. We move guess into val in, make it right from int. Val 1, 2, 3. If digits 1 equals 1, 1, 1. If it goes in, and move guess to 1. Oh, shoot. No, that's right. Guess to 0. Then where is it? If guessed is 1, then you got it. Um, all right, well, let's do this. All right, we're going to display that, one of them. So it's still, so it's running. So how did I do that? I did this, and I went, found it. Bandy, no. Come on. Goodness. Big. I'll keep that up. You want to see the rules? Sure. Okay. 111. And guess 111 didn't say anything. Huh. So it didn't say any, it didn't display this. So it never really went to check guess. So where are we? Check guess until guess is greater than -1. But we set guessed to -1. Okay. So what else happened up here? Why did it not display that? Oh, did I not compile it? Let's kill it again. Where's our... Yeah, I did compile it. At least that time I did. No. Yeah, so it's not getting in here. It's not doing this. So why is that? Okay. Ask for guess until got guess is 1. Set guess to -1. Perform check guess until guess is greater than -1. How about let's try something like this. Maybe because I don't know. I don't know what the deal is, but let's do this. Let's just try another one. So come on. I'm hitting a thing, not tab. 01 checked. Okay, and so then we'll say that guess to 1, set guessed to 0, set checked to 1. And then we'll say set guessed to 0, set checked to 0 until checked equals 1. It's running. This is crazy. And then I have something wrong with the play again. But we'll deal with that. I want to see the rules. Nope. Have never mind. 111. All right, so now it's doing it. Okay, so now it's looks like it's working right. So greater than -1 is not good. Okay. So Fermi, hold on. Pico Pico Fermi. So oh, wait, what? Oh, I see. It's not showing me. Okay, so Bagels 333 555 666. Okay, so Pico Fermi. So it's it was 1, 2, 6. Nope, it is 216. Pico Pico Pico. They're all in the wrong order. Oh, Fermi is in the middle, or the 162, 261. Pico Fermi was Pico Fermi. So 2 is at the end. So 2 is at the end. So is it 612? Is it 162? All right. Let's find out what's going on here. We'll put all of them out. So we don't need to do temp 1. That appears to be working. So digits 1, digits 2, digits 3. We'll see what the number is, and then we'll see if we can guess it. Did I not? I thought I killed it. End task. No. Okay, 111. It's 162. 162. It still doesn't do it right. Okay. So so let's find out. Let's display ret val. and then we'll find out what's coming back. Run. No. We know it's 162, right? It's always going to be that. 001 is Fermi. So why is that? Temp 1. Valves 1, valves 2, valves 3. Okay, well, let's find out what, I guess we're going to have to do this. Let's do valve 1. Kill Bagels. Run. No. 162. Okay, well, it says 111. So, okay, so our make integer from array is failing. All right, so I guess we're going to display fund, display tens, and display 1. Okay, so we can get rid of these. Okay, and then let's kill Bagels. Let's run. Let's see what happens. No. 162. Okay. 001. Oh. Oh. Wait a minute. Oh, I see. This is 3. But still not. Doesn't explain it. Okay, let's see what happens. 162. Okay, so it's coming in as 111. That's what we expect. But then hundreds is 0 instead of maybe that's not multiplication. I'm going to go find out. Okay, maybe I just need to do multiply 100. No. Wait. Multiply in 1 by 100. See if it likes that. Fill it. 100 is not an numeric name. Okay, let me find out how. Okay, I'm doing it right. It's just it's stupid. Okay, so good Lord. 100 pick 999. How do I set it again? Value. Value 100. 1 10 pick 99. Value 10. So then multiply this by 100. Multiply by 10. Move in1 to und, move into two tens. Move in 3 to 1s. I know we don't need all these now, right? All right. 100. Try that. I don't know if I killed it. Yes, I did. Okay, so let's go. No. 162. 003. Why? Okay, let's see. Move that again. There, we'll do it twice. We're cancel this. Run. No. 162. So what we're getting here is in1, in2, and in3 are coming in as 111. That's correct. And then, oh, it's not actually doing the multiplication because, okay, hold on. It can only be a 9. Hundreds can only be a 9. It can only be ones. It can only be tens. Let's try that. Maybe that's my whole problem. So let's do this. Let's move in1 to und, multiply und by 100, move into two tens, multiply tens by 10. All right, let's see what happens there. It's running. Oh my God. I must have closed it by accident because now it's taking forever to load everything again. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Okay, that's great. Bagels. Okay, don't close it. All right, run it. No. 162. All right, so now we have 001, 01, and 1. That's not right. Hmm. All right, I'm going to try to figure this out. I'll be back. Okay. A couple things. One, we can't end it because of this. We don't want to do that. Then the other thing that we had a problem with was multiplying, and I figured this out. I didn't figure it out. I looked it up, so I fixed it. I need to multiply and then give a value. And once I do that, then when I do add hun tens and ones, that comes out 111, as you can see there. So, okay, so let's try to run it again. We'll say yes. We'll see the rules. Whoops. Yes. We'll see the rules. I typed another character. That's why I didn't say that first time. Okay, have a number in mind. Guess. We know it's 162. It's always going to be. You got it. Game over. Oh, I got to get rid of that 162.1.1. Do you want to play again? No. Hope you had fun. Okay. So, where were we printing those out? 162.1.1.1. Where's that display? It's not in here. Removed it from here. Display return val. That's that. And then okay. Oh, that's the only thing I'm displaying. Okay. Let's try again. Run. Yes. Okay. 111 for me. So I do want to fix that. I know we got that. No. Okay. So that is check. Okay. So what we want to do is right here, we want to display that. Okay. Then we're going to go, let's say no. 111. Fermi, it still says guess 2. 162. We'll have to fix the randomizer here in a minute, but so it gets that. It displays Fermi, else it is 2, just Pico. If val 1 Fermi, Pico, Pico. So I don't know why we're not getting so let's see. Temp2 does equal digits 1. We want to go 111. Is it the or not working? Let's do this. Set val 3 to 2. Else if. And set val. See if that fixes anything. Unexpected else. 143. Is else if one word? No. Is it else if? Elif? What if we do this? See what happens here. Unexpected end if. 145. What? Oh. It was all the else was fine. Okay, what's wrong? Permission denied is running, apparently. That ain't it. Bagel and tab. Okay. Run. No. 162. Got it. Come out. No. Okay, 001 point bagels buff. Okay, so we need to trim that. We can trim that. Let's run it again. No. 111. Still only says Fermi. find out what vowels is here. Oh, come on. Can I just say val? What happens if I just display vowels? Okay, so it does say 122. So that's good. I can just display vowels like that. So why did that not work? Oh, it says, what is val? It's vowels, isn't it? No, it's val. Okay. So we know that this doesn't happen. So it says val 1, no advancing. What does that mean? I thought it meant don't advance the line. Let's try this. Let's do the same thing we did up there. And if. And we should be able to do if then else's, but apparently not. 162. No. No. There it goes. So yeah, I don't know why the else's don't work. Else if doesn't work. But Fermi Pico Pico, that's right. So 222, Pico Pico Fermi, 666, Pico Fermi. Okay, so perfect. So it's 162, and it's always 162. No, we're gonna fix that point bagel buff, and that is just by dumping stuff into the trim thing. We'll do that here in a second. Where is that? Bagel buff right here. Okay, so what we're going to where are we? Why is it acting weird? We want to move score into temp format. We're going to let's move 0 to I. Then we're going to inspect temp format. We're going to tallying I for leading 0. Then we're going to move temp format I plus 1. Uh-oh. In the length of temp format minus I to trim format. Don't think we have to. I don't know what we have to do here. All right, let's see if that works. Oh, into expecting to. Temp form. Where's that? Oh. All right, let's see. No, I don't want to see the rules. 111. 162. No. 1 point's bagel buff. So these need to say 0. These need to be space. Yep. Try again. No. Whoops. No. 162. No. A 1 point bit. It's still, still putting all those in there. What am I doing wrong? Check temp format, telling I for leading space. Move temp format, I plus 1, to the length of temp format minus I, to trim format. Do I need that? That's not working. This is not working. Trim format used to always work. Why does it not work now? I guess we'll do this. Let's display temp format, and then we'll see what's going on here. No. 162. No. So it is space 1. I don't know. I don't know why it's not working. Move 0 to I. Spec temp format. What does temp format look like? 4. Trim format. Or was it? So in the past, I've done it without periods. I don't know. And I've also done it like, also moved that to here. I don't think this matters. I don't see why it would matter. And then I always have the front done and the back with 1. And then let's try it. Run. No. 162. No. All right. I don't know why that's not trimming. I'm not going to care about that anymore. I can't get it to trim formatted. So, I'm just going to go, well, score will be 001. So we'll at least do it like this. Score to temp format, move 0 to I, inspect temp format, telling I for leading space. It is space, right? Not spaces. Well, maybe it's spaces. No. 162. No. No. So whatever it's doing here, it's not actually getting that space. So I don't understand. But it should be leading space. Because that's how we're doing it in AC/DC. But I don't know what to do. Okay, so I'm not going to worry about it anymore. We're just going to leave it right there. Then I just want to know, I'm going to go find out randomization. Okay. I guess it's just the way that I was doing random, because it's working. So That ends in 2. Middle is 3. So 8, 3, 2. Yes. 8, 3, 2. Nope, 4, 2. 8, 3, 2. Oh, I got it again. That's interesting. Yes. Last time I did it, it was a different number. 8, 2. All right. Well, I guess it's not working because up here I got 1, 5, 2, and then it did. I wonder if these need to be 10. Go 10. Let's see what we get there. No. 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. 1, 5, 2. Yes. 1, 5, 2. Okay. At least that's different, right? 7, 7, 7. 8, 8, 8. 9, 9, 9. 9, 1, 0. Well, it says Fermi. It'd say more than that. 9, 2, 2. Okay. 9, 3, 2. 9, 4, 2. Got it. Yes. Oops. Yes. 9, 4, 2. No. So that says 1 point bagels buff, but I did 3. Why did it reset it? Let's see. Add 1 to score. But that's not really doing it. So that probably does the same thing like I did up here, wherever it was. Multiply this by whatever, giving something. I wonder if I can just say set score. What if I say, set score equals score plus 1. See if I can do that, if that's a fill. Oh, yeah. But, add 1 to score. That's what I did, right? Giving score. Let's see if that works. And add. See what that does. Expected else. Oh, yeah. That's not it. Oh, good look. Maybe it's just simply compute. Maybe it would be compute score equals score plus 1. See what that does. Likes it. No. 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. Oh, it's going to be it's going to be 1, 5, 2. No. Oh, I didn't mean that. I meant yes. No. 1, 5, 2. Yes. 9, 8, 2. 9, 9, 9. 8, 8, 8. No, that's 3. 8, 8, 8. 2, 2, 2. Okay, so 2's at the end. Was 9 at the beginning. 9, 4, 2. Should say 2. 1 point bagels buff still. That's not that's not working. Where is the bagels buff? Yeah, that doesn't work either. Like nothing's working right. It's weird because it almost works perfectly. And if I can go here and I can show you that it says oh, I don't know if this is, if you can see it. Screw over here. Uh this compute total equals total plus temp. So that would end up being the total, right? So I don't understand why it's not. Why is it not the total? Why does score? Let's display score. I don't know why it doesn't increment. It is clearly computing. So no. 111-222-333-444-555-528. No, I don't know. What does it always say? 152. That's what it always is. Yes. Always like 842, right? Wait. Oh, it is. Yeah. 842. What? What's that number underneath going 011? What's that? What is going on there? 222 says 221. This is all zeros. How are we displaying that? Didn't know we were displaying. Ah, here it is. I just realized that we're displaying that. Okay. 222 or 24 9 9 or 2. No. Okay, still says 1. So I think what's going on here is this. This is the only thing that makes sense to me here. If we go to running loop, score to 0. Gotta be it. All right, here we go. No. 942. What was it? I can't even remember. 524. Oh, 542. No. 142. 152. That's it. Okay. Yes, it's 843. What is it? 88. Oh. Oh, so it's still 542. Wait. 842. Oh, what is it? 942. No. All right, that's what it was. So that was in the wrong spot. It doesn't do a great job of randomizing. but I'm going to call that done. Um, COBOL's not really the greatest thing for pseudo random numbers that are in that small range where they're 0 to 9. So